to show you how to use Google Drive to organize your files and folders. I love using Google Drive because it gives you free 15 gigabytes of storage, and it's secure, and it's also cloud-based, and it's easily accessible. As long as you have internet connection, then you're good to go. You can be up and running in no time. You do need an email account, a Gmail account, and once you get that, then you can gain access to all these apps here. And that's my account there. So let's start this off. So basically, let's start off with creating a folder. But before I do that, let me show you how I organized my files and folders here. So I've got After Effects, Animate, Animation. So these are all the subjects I teach to my students. So I've got graphic design here. So if I double click inside here, graphic design, then I've got everything about graphic design, typography. So let's go back to my drive again. So let's start from scratch. So click New, Folder, and then we have let's say, for example, it's BTech level 3. Yeah, level 3. Yeah. Create. You'll come up here. Then double click inside here. Create another folder. So then I can call it Media level 2. Create Media level 3. Year 1. And then Media level 3. Year 2. Create. So within these folders, I want to create something else. So for example, Media level 2, they might have a project on Photoshop. So I can create another folder called Photoshop. And that's how they'll organize their files. So let's just say Google Docs. So Photoshop analysis. Yeah. And here's my file here. Haven't named it. Rename. Photoshop analysis. Brilliant. So click and drag, and that's it. That's your files and folders. So let's go back to BTech. So we have, if you want to color code them, for example, just right click, change color. So let's go for a nice yellow. Level 3 year 1, right click, a nice green, right click, level 3 year 2, can be pink. Yeah, there you have it. And if you want to favorite something, double click. So I want to favorite this. I really use this file a lot, for example. So then I right click, and then you just go to add to starred. Yeah. So when you click here, it's going to be add to starred right here. So when I click here, starred, yeah, there's already one file here that I starred, and here's my Photoshop analysis that I've starred just now. So I just go back, and that's it. And that's how you organize your files and folders. And last but not least, I tell all my students, just about every single lesson, save your work and then back it up. So if you do some Photoshop work on your computer, then back it up on your Google Drive storage. So right now I have 3.4 gigabytes used of 15 gigabytes left. And if you want to buy more storage, You just go to buy storage, and then here's the plans, different plans here. So you get 15 gigabytes for free, 100 gigabytes for $159 a month, 200 gigabytes for $249 a month, and 2 terabytes for $7.99 a month. Okay, so I love using Google Drive. I use it every day as a contractor, teaching from college to college or school to school. I want all my resources available in one central system, and that system is Google Drive for me, and it works every time. So for me, it's been invaluable. So I highly recommend it. So if you've got any questions, drop it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That's it for today. Take care.